You hold
Take
this
it,
on
hold
the
on.
left side.
It's much better.
And for the
then
left hand
like that.
down. No, no inside. The outside
Like
is better. Right. Good. In front of you and you catch this belt.
Ça, t'es droitier?
I hold this.
Ah bah quoi, je sais pas si je suis droitier ou gauche.
Just go. Help me.
And you need to, the plan is simple. We need to walk.
I walk.
When I tell you 1 to 3, you're walking down with Clément, and it's no problem.
Oh my god. Sorry.
We're waiting, feel the wind on the face. Good. And we're starting. Attends un peu derrière quand même.
Est-ce qu'il veut que je me mette à ta gauche peut-être?
Comme tu veux. Attends, on va partir un pas, elle va gonfler toi.
This is good, my hand.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
good.
yes, stay like that.
Yeah.
Watch in front of you.
You grip stronger when this belt is good.
Oh my god, my hand is shaking. Voilà.
Ready to go? Non, plus, voilà.
Attends, je vais peut-être me mettre plus de ce côté-là.
Jamais, regarde quoi.
Ah non, mais...
Tout le temps pareil, je sais, je connais.
Non, mais... C'est des potes,
Okay,
hein.
you look front of
Dans
you.
le job.
And we walk. 1, 2, 3, you walk. Walking forward.
Oh my god.
Merci, pardon. C'est bon. Merci.
Oh my god, no!
Slow.
I cannot open my eyes.
Give me the camera.
No.
And now,
I cannot open my eyes. No.
open your eyes, it's better. And I'm gonna help you to sit down. Sit inside.
Sit aside.
Yeah. How do you feel? You feel better? Excellent.
No.
Yeah, you see everything.
No, I don't.
Open your eyes, it's better. Yeah.
Oh, we are far.
And now we're going to the left.
This is my hands go there.
Yes, lovely. Good. Try the left one here, the same place.
Yeah.
Better.
No meeting here.
No, because it's not comfortable. It's better. And now you.
Don't go up.
No.
No.
No, we're going in the middle valley. Flight temple, especially for you. I promise you. You're with me. We are in the air together.
Hello.
Hello. Fantastic. Hello.
No.
What do you feel, darling? And look front of you. Look the mountain far away. Look the mountain.
Yeah.
If you add this too much backward, it's not good for you. It's
We're
comfortable.
gonna go down. I want to go down.
We're going down actually, and you don't feel because we're going down gently. Because gently is lovely. If we feel go down, we're going too fast.
I never sit down. I never sit
Oh,
down.
look front of you. Look front of you. It's so beautiful. That's the Mont Blanc,
Yeah.
the biggest. And you've been to a big community over there. The big mountain. You've been on the very top to the lift.
I've been 3,300
Yeah,
meters.
yeah.
Oh my
Good.
god!
What's happening?
I go
What's up?
down.
We're going down gently.
Oh shit! Oh my god, no!
We're going down.
This is my first time. Oh!
Look, we're turning around gently to the right when you see where we're starting, and you realize we're going down. Look to the right. There's a place we don't go in. And look the takeoff. It's far away now, and we're going descent. And Marcel, it's an oranges one. That's Marcel. They're going close the mountain and they climb very high.
Oh my god, don't go high.
No, not
Yeah.
because if you stay close to the mountain, you climb. If you're going in the valley, it's for descent gently and relax. Look, now you're super cool. You're beginning relaxed. Congratulations.
This is my first time.
Very good, congratulations. And I would like to pianot a little bit your fingers. Try pianoting. Well done. If you tie too much, it is for nothing. It's just your pain. You pain your hands and your arms too much.
Oh my god, nice huh? Many houses.
Many ones. It's like bits of it. Then we stop after one. That's the last part. That's the Mont Blanc access tunnel. Going in, and you exit and you're right behind. Yeah. Yes. And I have a lovely game for you. I would like you to open your hand. We are together. Give me your hand. Try. It's a game.
No, I couldn't.
Give me one, only one. Give me the right hand. Only the right. And you did it and send the bullet.
Fuck, no.
It's not me, the wind a little bit. Try open the left one.
No, I can't.
Try, it's a game. It's a funny game. Look, we're going down. We see where we're starting over there. Down there. Anyway, relax your hands and try open yourself. Allez, you did it. You try yourself. Allez, open the right hand and open it big one like this. Allez, you try. Come on. Come on, we did it. Yes, you did it. And now we'd like to organize the best selfie on your life.
Yeah.
And stop the video for